Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the top 7 mid-cap stocks that may be a multi-bagger in the upcoming years. For your information, I have not selected these stocks randomly. I have picked these stocks based on several factors like their business, their products, their future goals, their financial performance, how mutual funds are reacting to these companies, how their investments are going on. Like this, I have taken several factors and I have picked 7 stocks. So without getting late, let's get started. Tata Elxsi. This is a software service related company and this is a part of Tata Group. And first, let's start off with the chart. Here you can see in 2013 the stock price was just 100 rupees. In 2021, that is the current market price is 2500 rupees. In 7 years, the stock price has given 25 times returns. If you have invested 100 rupees in 2013, now you will have 2500 rupees. In 7 years, 25 times returns. So this is a software related company and they are working on the recent technologies like cloud computing, IoT, like etc. And their current market capital is 1600 crores. Coming to the financials, market share of Tata Elxsi is continuously increasing. In 5 years, the market share has increased from 4.47 to 5.62. And the revenue also, the industry average is just 9.7, but their revenue growth is 14.3%. Net income, average net income for software service industry is just 4.5. For Tata Elxsi, the CAGR of net income is 20%, which is an excellent growth, and the net income has continuously increasing from 174 to 240 to 290 to 256. So the profit also continuously increasing. Mindtree. This is an IT service and consulting company. Let's start up with the chart. In 2013, the stock price is just 200 rupees. Now the stock is trading at 1750 rupees. That means nearly 8 times growth in just 7 years. Every year, the stock price has increased by 1 time. Their market capital is 28,500 crores and the financials are also very good. The market share has increased from 1.14% to 1.55% and the revenue growth is at the CAGR of 16.5% and the income is at 3.3%. Average industry growth is 8.03%. But I hope IT has a good future and Mindtree has a good future and they are performing well. Their net income has been increasing from 400 to 570 to 750 to 630. So I hope in the future they will come up with very good profits. And in the digital world, Mindtree has a good scope in the future. IRCTC and Indian Railways, and this is absolute monopoly. There is no other competitor in the sector, and this is a government company. Their market capital is 30,000 crore, and they are also involved in various services like catering, etc. Company recently came up with an IPO of just 400 to 600 rupees range. The stock price, current market price is 1800 crore. In just 1 year. The stock price has nearly given 5% return, and they have a good future. Since there is no other competitors, IRCTC have a good future, and this is a government company. The risk is very low, and they have a market share of 36%, and which is 1/3 of the total market share, and their revenue is growing at 15.59 CAGR, excellent growth, and their income is also growing at 32.26%. While the average is just 23%, they are growing at 32%, which is an excellent growth. Polycab. This is electrical component and equipment manufacturing company. Their market share is 20,000 crores. In 2019, they came up with an IPO, I think around 400 to 500 rupees, and now the current market price is 1400 rupees. In 1 year, the stock price has nearly grown up to 3 times, which is an excellent growth, and 73% of the analysts have recommended this stock. Industry PE is 44.9, but this stock PE is just 25.86. That means the stock is trading at a discounted rating. So this is a good time to invest in this company. Here you can see the market share has increased from 15.3 to 22.4. This stock has occupied 1/4 of the total market share, and the revenue is growing at 13.6 CAGR. And look at this income. The profit is growing at 35.81% CAGR. This is an extraordinary growth, and the income is continuously increasing, like 232, 358, 500 and 760. This is a tremendous growth in profit. Balkrishna Industries. In 2013, the stock price is just 100 rupees, and now the current market price is 1600. The stock price has gone up by 16 times. If you have invested 100 rupees in 2013, now you would have 1600 rupees. They are involved in tire and rubber business, and their market capital is 31,000 crore. And look at the sector PE, 94, but this stock PE is just 32. It's trading at a discounted price, and this is a decent dividend yield also, 1.2%. And the financials are also very good. Market share is continuously increasing from 7.3 to 8.2, and revenue is growing at 4.3 CAGR, and the income is growing at 15% CAGR. While the industry is having negative growth, but this stock is growing at 15% CAGR. So excellent growth. Look at this income, 700, 735, 770, 960. Very good results. Next stock is Astral Poly. In 2013, the stock price is 100 rupees. Now it is trading at 2200 rupees. So the stock price is gone up by 22 times in just 7 years. So every year the stock price is going up by 3 times. They are involved in building products like pipes, and their market capital is 33,000 crores, which is a good one. And they have excellent financials, and market share is increased from 4.7 to 5.7, and the revenue is growing at 12.57 CAGR, while the industry average is just 8.2. Look at this net income, 144, 175, 195, 247. It is also growing at a very excellent CAGR of almost 20 to 25%. The final stock is Coforge. In 2017, stock price is just 400 rupees. Now it is trading at 2600 rupees. In 4 years, the stock price has gone up by 4.5 times, and their market capital is 15,000 crores, and this is an IT company, and so they have a very good future in the upcoming years. And here you can see 63% of the analysts have recommended this stock. Their revenue is growing at 12.2 CAGR and excellent growth, and the net income is growing at 31% CAGR. It's an extraordinary growth, while the industry average is just 8%, and the market share is also increasing from 0.7 to 0.8. So in the upcoming years, I think they will have a good future. From the financial figures itself, we can say that the company is progressing in a very good manner. So in the future, they have a good scope. They may turn into multi-baggers. So all the 7 stocks I have discussed in this video are based on my own analysis. If you want to invest in these stocks, just do your analysis and invest on your own risk. I have made a video on top 10 large cap stocks to invest in 2021. If you have not seen that video, just click here, and I will also made another video on top 10 small cap stocks. So if you are interested in this kind of information, just subscribe to our channel.